Hello, my name is Neeraj, and today in this video we will learn about runtime polymorphism. So in runtime polymorphism, which overridden method gets called is decided during runtime, not during compile time. Okay, so let's see these things in an action. For that we have to take two classes, one parent and one child class, that is car and we will have one method like start and we'll create another class that is sedan and it will extend car and sedan engine has started. Okay, now what, we will create an object of sedan and that object reference will get stored inside the object variable of class car. Okay, so I'm just about to tell you that why we have stored that object reference of sedan into object variable of class car, because object variable of class car can hold both the object reference. I mean, this car object variable will hold object reference of class car as well as sedan, but same is not applied for the object variable of class sedan. That's why we have created this object variable of class car. Okay, so now what, let's say we have to call this method. Okay, start. So how we can do this, we can use that object variable dot car dot we are not car dot start. Okay, car dot start. Okay, so that is the thing, which class method will get called with this statement. Okay, it has option to call this and this. Okay, let's rerun and see. Sedan engine has started. Okay, since this object sedan gets created during runtime, so during runtime only it is decided that which class method gets called. That is why this is runtime polymorphism. Okay, if we want to access this method, then instead of creating sedan object we will create a car object. Okay, engine has started. Okay, so in this video we have seen how a runtime polymorphism works and what is it. Okay, so from this I am ending this video and we'll see you in the next upcoming video lecture. So thank you for watching and stay tuned. Bye.